If I were to tell you that one of these 3D forms was drawn without a pencil, which one would you pick? If you said this one, you would be correct. You are watching Draw with me BAR, and today, we will find out if it's better to draw a 3D form with or without a pencil. The items you will need are cotton balls, Q-tips, an exactoknife, erasers, graphite powder and scrap paper with a half circle cut out. The first step we will take is to create a circle by taking a cotton ball dipped in graphite powder and running it along the half circle cut out of your scrap paper. One of the pros for drawing this way is to create a soft edge around the circle rather than a harsh and unrealistic line. On the other hand, it can get quite a bit messy, so take extra care when handling graphite powder. The graphite powder can also give you a much more realistic look. However, it can be hard to get those extra dark shadows. Right now, I am just using my finger to rub the graphite into the paper as much as possible. Now we can take a kneadable eraser and add some highlight to the sphere. Another great reason to draw this way is, it is much easier to erase the graphite powder than pencil marks, making it much better to add highlights. However, because the graphite powder is so erasable, it is best to seal your work with fixative afterward, or else the graphite powder will come off easy. Now, I will add a shadow to our 3D sphere using the edge of my scrap paper. Then, I will take a Q-tip to darken the very edge of the sphere. Next, I will take my eraser to add a small reflection in the shadow. And here is our first 3D sphere complete. Now we will draw our second 3D sphere using a pencil. I will shade the left side of the sphere a darker shade, and the right side of the sphere a lighter shade. One pro for using a pencil is that it's much easier to get small details in your drawing. However, a pencil can also make unwanted scratches or marks that can be hard to get rid of. I'm leaving out a small white spot on the sphere for a highlight. Now, I would use a Q-tip to blend the sphere as best as I can. Another pro for using pencil is that pencil sticks to the paper much easier. But it can also be harder to blend. Now, I will create a similar shadow to my previous drawing. I will make the inner part of the shadow lighter to create a reflection. When creating 3D objects, there is usually a thin shadow right at the base of the object. The pencil is a great tool to use to create that shadow. The pencil can also create outlines around your drawing, making it look unrealistic. And now, both of our drawings are complete. Let me know in the comments which one you think turned out better. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.